Alrighty, before we start, I just want to point out that in our lesson plan, we have things that are being written on a small whiteboard throughout each part of the lesson. I do not have a whiteboard, so I've already written down what we plan on writing on the whiteboard on paper that I'm going to use as a prop at this very moment. Let's jump into it. Alrighty, class, are we ready to start our small group? Today we are learning about root words. A root word is the main part of a word. It is the important middle that makes a word mean something. So it is the middle. Middle means something. It's the middle of a word that makes it mean something. Root words can have letters added to the front or the back of them. For example, the word act is a root word, okay? Act. Act means to do something. So when you hear the word act, somebody is saying to do something. So let's see, for example, have you ever heard someone say that they are active or acting? Has anyone ever heard those words? Raise your hand if you've heard the word active. You don't have to know what it means, just if you've heard it before. Okay, and what about acting? You like acting? That's awesome. That's great. It means, so when someone is active or acting, it means that they are going to do something. They might be doing different things, but they are about to act. Now we are going to practice spelling the word act. That is our main word of the day, so we are going to practice spelling it. I am going to write it down on my whiteboard, and I want you guys to write it down on yours. It's your turn. I want you to copy it the best you can, okay? I'm going to give you some time to write it down, and then we'll talk about it. Alrighty, put your thumb up if you need some more time to write down the word. Okay, I'll give you a little bit more time. Alrighty, so let's look at our word. Can someone tell me the first letter in our word? What's this first letter? Yeah. A, the first letter in the alphabet. Very good, that's right. Let's move on to the second letter. Can someone tell me what letter that is? Cindy. C. Good job. All right, can someone tell me what that last letter is? Jonah? Not quite. Jay, help him out. T. So we have A, C, T. Act. You ready? We're going to say it all together. We're going to say the letters A, C, T, act. Ready? A, C, T, act. Great job. The word act means to do. But we said that we could add letters to the front or the back of act to make new words. Each time we add letters to the word act, we create a new word because we're adding different letters. So we're adding different letters, then the word probably will not mean the same thing. That means it has a new meaning. It means something new. The word react means to respond. So let's see. If I say boom and scare you, you might scream and look scared. That is you reacting to being scared. So I scared you, and you guys were reacting to me scaring you. So now I'm going to write down react so that we can see what it looks like. So there is our word react. Now let's talk about the word actor, since we have a little actor over here. The word actor means that a person is acting in a movie or a show. So do you guys know who Blippi is? Yeah? How about Go Danny Go? It's one of my faves. Go Danny Go and Blippi are both actors in their own shows. Let's write actor on our board. So these are our two words right here. If you look at the two words, we just talked about the fact that they have the same root. Do you guys remember the root we were talking about? Act. Right. So both of these words have act in them, but they mean different things. So, what is the root of both words? The root is act. Good job. Alrighty. Now we are going to play a game. I am going to pass out your bingo board. So you're just going to let them hang out in front of you. Perfect. Okay. So we are playing bingo. So I'm going to call out words, and they are going to be on your paper. We are trying to find words that have the root act. So I'm going to call out a word. We're going to find it together, and we're going to decide if it has the root act in it. And then if it does, we're going to